Bracing for impact. Tonight we're tracking Hurricane Florence and how Arizona is lending a hand as the major storm barrels toward the East Coast. Hurricane warnings now in effect, and more than 1 million people face mandatory evacuation orders tonight in coastal areas of Virginia and the Carolinas. Help is already on the way from our state. 70 volunteers headed to the Atlantic region right now, taking lessons from Hurricane Harvey with them.
Harvey kind of really opened our eyes to shelters and where we can get shelters that are situated on higher ground away from the coastline and anticipate those people moving and evacuating from the coast into these areas. If we can already be there when they join us, that's a better way to serve the public.
You can help the Red Cross do its job by making a donation. You can call 1-800-RED-CROSS, go to redcross.org, or you can make a direct donation to Hurricane Florence efforts by texting Florence to 90999. That will add a $10 donation to your phone bill.